Now, Channel 3 early warning weather.
Well, yesterday we talked about how clouds would hold temperatures down. Today, that's exactly what happened. Highs were only in the 60s and the low 70s, but it seemed a little bit warmer than that because of the higher humidity. And over the coming days, we're going to be, talking about some records. And, this weekend, the heat wave is going to begin as expected. Now, the record for the Hartford area for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday is 96, 98, 96 respectively. For Bridgeport, 88 degrees, and that was set last year on the 6th of June. 89 is the record high for the 7th of June, and for the 8th of June, the record high 93 for Bridgeport. Currently, early warning pinpoint Doppler is quiet. Despite all that cloud cover, there might only be a little drizzle or some sprinkles here and there, but that's really about it for now. Hartford, we got the overcast sky, 71 degrees and a light southerly breeze bringing in that higher humidity. Meanwhile, it's 61 degrees in New London, where there's a very low overcast and a little bit of fog along the southeastern part of the state with that wind off the water, the humid air flowing over it. The water temperature is in the 50s, 58 right now, and with dew points in the 60s. That's the recipe for low clouds and areas of fog. So that's what's going to happen tonight. And currently, we see temperatures are in the 60s and low 70s pretty much at the high for the day. And we got that southerly breeze kind of pumping in the mild, humid air. And again, it's not a strong wind or anything like that, but dew points, while they were in the 50s yesterday, they're now pretty much in the 60s statewide. So get used to it. We're going to be dealing with that high humidity right through the weekend and beyond. Now, the greatest threat for severe weather is to the south and west of Connecticut, where you see those reds showing up in southeastern Pennsylvania into the mid-Atlantic states. These showers and storms are going to be running into the cooler, more stable air over us. And according to the Storm Prediction Center, where you see that shade of yellow to our south and west, that's where there is the greatest risk, as I said, for severe weather. So FUTURECAST shows that we will see some showers and storms fill in, but notice they tend to weaken as they move into the state. By 9 o'clock, there might be some thunder here and there, maybe a few heavy downpours, and by midnight tonight, the rain is essentially gone, except for some sprinkles and some drizzle. Then tomorrow morning, cloudy skies, areas of fog, a few sprinkles here and there. As we go into lunchtime, a few showers start to build, and then we have thunderstorms in the forecast for tomorrow afternoon. Some of these could be strong right during the evening commute time. Some locally heavy downpours and potentially some gusty winds here and there. And then things will tend to settle down as we go into tomorrow evening. Clearing skies later tomorrow night, and that's going to set us up for a bright but a hot weekend. So lows tonight will likely stay in the low and middle 60s for most of us, and highs tomorrow because of the clouds, we'll say mid to upper 70s, maybe near 80 in some spots should we see enough breaks in the clouds. So 78 tomorrow, but 88 on Saturday with partly to mostly sunny skies, and the heat wave begins on Sunday. We're forecasting it to last 4 days, 93 Sunday, 94 Monday, Tuesday 93, 90 on Wednesday, and then finally some relief on Thursday as we drop into the lower 80s. Once we get past tomorrow, the next chance for storms may not come until Tuesday or Wednesday, despite the heat and humidity. And for the shoreline, 70s tomorrow, but for the weekend, it's going to be in the 80s at the beaches as well.